Boing, 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 boing. Execute Order 66. Guys, hello everyone, it's me, Captain Chaos here with another video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and check out my Facebook. And guys, I kind of had a, little trouble, so my phone shut it off, so my YouTube channel and everything was locked in my phone, so I couldn't get into anything. So I couldn't get into any of my apps in here. I couldn't get into my YouTube channel or anything. So my last video was Chaoscraft episode 8. So yeah. So you guys better leave a like for this because I had a lot of trouble. And guys, I also have a squid hat. You know I have a poop hat. I showed it a couple of times, but this is my squid hat. Yeah, I have so many different hats. I have like so many weird hats. Squiddy, 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 squiddy hat. All hail the squid hat. Yeah, and it's also my favorite color. I like it. Where's Max the Kitty? Ah, dang it. Where did I put him? Whatever. I'll find him later. So guys, yeah, you better like it because I had a lot of trouble. A lot of trouble. A lot of trouble. A lot of trouble. But look at this. I can see you with my big eyeball. I only have a mouth. See? And a nose. I have these big old eyeballs. Now I have 4 eyeballs. So, yeah. Why I'm being a little quiet is because, it's kind of nighttime when I'm making this video, but when I post it, it's probably gonna be in like the morning or something. So, yeah. But, yeah, the other day, the last day, I was having a lot of trouble getting into my phone, and my mom looked up a couple of videos of tutorials of how to fix my phone, all that stuff. So without my mom, she wouldn't have fixed a lot of this stuff on my phone. So yeah, I'm very tired. I'm planning on doing other videos. So tomorrow I'm gonna be trying to get my friend to come over to finish the last scene, and then I will be setting all that up, doing the little next scene after that, and then that's pretty much it, and then I'm done. That's it. I just need 2 more scenes and I'm done. Then I just have to put it all into order and then, edit it, and that's it. Sounds so simple, but I have to find the perfect timing where to put a picture to pop up. Then I need to put the little clips at each time perfectly, because I can't have it where it doesn't go on very good. I have to have it perfect. So, yeah. I did the interview, which is pretty good. I like the interview. It's very funny and everything. I am going to be doing another video of Chef PP doing Granny and maybe a couple other games, and then also Chef PP again, versus, Andrew Andrew versus Chef PP. So, if you guys really want to see that, then leave a like. Because I'm going to be putting that one, that's just going to be so funny. I might even show up in there. Well, I'm planning on having it where you see it, and then he goes, if you like this video, please like. And then you see Eric strangle him, and then he says, and subscribe and check out his Facebook. You like that? Like, Jeff Peavy's gonna say, please like and subscribe. And then he's gonna strangle him and then say, make sure you check out more of the videos. And also, please check out his Facebook. Thank you. I'll see you all in another video. Bye! And that's it. I'm not gonna be showing up at all in there. So, yeah. Squiddy, squiddy, squid hat. Squid hat. Squiddy, squid hat. Squiddity, squid hat. Squiddy, squid hat. Well, guys, I guess that's the end of the video for now, because I am getting very tired and I just want to go to sleep now. But I did have a good nerve war while my mom was fixing a lot of stuff. But guys, please leave a like for all this, and also in all the problems I had. But guys, I'll see you all in another video. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in another video or live stream. And guys, I guess this is goodbye for now, and you never know. My channel might stop someday, and then I have to make a new channel, and then do the whole thing all over again. But do the recent videos, but finish them on that channel. But once I do want to finish the 3rd episode, and after that happens, I think I might want to try to do the episodes a little faster, even though it's hard and everything. Like, I'm trying to work on better editing and everything, and trying to get my friends on there and everything. Yeah, it gets crazy. But guys, I'll see you all in another video. So guys, thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and also please check out my Facebook. And guys, I'm out. It's King Cat here. See you all in another video. Bye! It's not ending. Comment down below.